be using Anacode, which is an Android text editor. So we'll be creating a new file, HTML and CSS. Click on it, cancel the old one, don't save, and this will start editing it with our title, and our title will be using LiQWYD, which is the main company under which LiQWYD is located. Then to the body, will create an H1 tag, which is heading 1, which is the biggest heading, the most important, and give the name LiQWYD. Close it with the closing tag. Then H2, heading 2, the second most important after heading 1, and give them LiQWYD TV. Close it. And now paragraph tag, short description about the company, which is LiQWYD. So this is a tech and gaming company, channel with channels on YouTube like LiQWYD TV, we'll save it as, let's see if we can create a new folder. Let's check Anacode. Okay, so index Anacode, so index.html. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.